welcome to another video. This is Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. In today's video I have an unboxing, and this is a new company, and of course it's also new to me because I haven't purchased anything from them. You may have heard of this company from their gorgeous diamond painting pens, and this is from Lazy River Woodworking, and I have a couple of their pens. They're hard to come by, but I absolutely love them. And so now Stephanie and Matt are actually having diamond paintings that they are having rendered. They have also commissioned several artists, and so they are bringing them out in phases. And so the first one was really cute. It was more colorful, and I could not decide which one that I wanted. It took me a while, but I ended up getting one that I thought was absolutely cute. And so I wanted to go ahead and open this and show you guys in case you're interested as well. The box is really pretty. It is green. It says diamond to draw. It also says high grade exquisite. It says diamond painting on the side, gives you instructions here. And then it also tells you on the back reasons why you should diamond paint. It reduces stress and anxiety, trains your brain to focus, helps your fine motor skills, and this number 3, helps your fine motor skills, is really good for my daughter. That's why she does it. Increase your social circles, and then helps to spark creativity. So let's open this. In the box that this was inside of, it has 2 stickers here. It has this sticker, and then also has a little cupcake sticker. So I'm going to put that over to the side. They don't have their information on the box yet. I know that does cost more money, so that will probably come on other boxes, but it does come in a nice dust cover. I'm going to go ahead and take this dust cover off. There's going to be some crinkling for just a second. Sorry about that. I'll put this over to the side. And my neighbor, of course, as soon as I start to do this video, my neighbor decides that he wants to blow his leaves or mow his yard or do something. I'm not really sure. And it's right outside my window. Okay, so you do have your standard toolkit. You have a boat, you have a standard pen with a single placer here, and a little pot of wax, or a little square of wax, rather. Okay, you also have an inventory sheet, and on this inventory sheet, it gives you the numbers, and then also gives you the code, the DMC number. It tells you how many that are in each of the bags, and it tells you how many bags that you have. And then here is the thumbnail. I got the flamingo. Isn't it cute? I love the colors. My craft room is pink. The walls are very pink, and I thought this would go very well because I do have pink and black in here. So I want to hang this one up. I'm always looking for something that's pink and that's bright, and that will really make my room look pop even more. Oh, I didn't realize that there's also a little cover reminder. It's a starfish. You can see that, and it's pink. Okay, so they do not have right now sticker sheets, but I can use the inventory sheet that I just showed you. I can easily copy that, so I'll have an extra one, and then I will just run that through my Xyron, and I will be able to use that for my containers. Okay, so let's look at this cutie. Look how cute that this is. The schematic is on both sides. One side is going to be facing up. The other one is going to be facing, it's the same way. I thought it's facing down. It's facing up, so you have one on the left and then one higher on the right, so you can see it. It is called Saved by the Flamingo. The artist is Tabitha Lozano, and it even has when it was licensed, 2022. So it is licensed artwork. It also is going to tell you that it's waterproof, anti-fade, non-ironing. We wouldn't want to iron it. And then it also is green for the environment. This is just so cute, and it's already flattening out very well. It does have scalloped edges, and it's also stitched, so that will help it not to fray. And if you look, I'm gonna go to the down below here a little bit. It does have Lazy River on here. Sorry, I just bumped you. Lazy River wood turning. But I thought this was just absolutely adorable. Look how long the little pink legs are. It's Flamingo. And there's going to be several other colors. It's going to be very bright. There's a lot of color blocking on here. I mean, look at all of this. I'm going to bring you in a little bit. Look at all this color blocking. I can get this done probably in less than a week, and most of you could probably do it even faster than that. It takes me a little bit longer, but this is going to be so bright and so pretty. And I'm going to check. It's really good and sticky. I don't see any rivers on here, nothing that would cause me any concern. The glue goes a little past, like most of them do. But that's okay, because I will use my washi. I have several different washi colors that I can use, so that will be fun to decide on. And let's look at the trills. Bring you back out there. There is a little bit of a glare. The sun is coming through a little bit more than I thought it was going to. Okay, on these, I'm not going to go through all of them, but they are, and this is round. I did not tell you it was round. They are in baggies, which is nice for a lot of you. You could just start it in baggies, and then you wouldn't have to worry about kitting up. I enjoy the kitting up process. So with me, I will kit up using more than likely my Elizabeth Ward containers. I'm not sure yet, but these look really good. I don't see any divots or any ripples in here, and the bottoms look really good. The colors are really pretty. I want to look at some of these pinks. These were in order now that I've gotten them out of order, but they don't look like they have any static in them either, which I'm really surprised, because I'm getting static from everywhere right now. Here's a really pretty orange. That's gorgeous. And, oh, look at this 307. That's a huge bag. Look at this yellow. Wowza. That is going to be so much fun. I'm really looking forward to doing something different. Here's a small bag of 956. Has a couple little hitchhikers in there of the 939, it looks like, and that's fine. There's a large bag of 891, the pink, for the Flamingo. This doesn't have any ABs, but that is fine because I have plenty of ABs that I can use for this. If not, then I will definitely order some more. I am definitely going to bling this up. I already know that I'm going to. I just don't know exactly how I'm going to do it. I am not going to do this in December, more than likely. I will decide what I want to do with it with the specials, but I will then go ahead and order those. I probably will not start on this until January, because I already have ones that I really want to do for December, and I really don't think this is going to take very long, but so I'll probably just go ahead and do it in January, so I can go ahead and get it done. I want to get this one framed because this one will look really cute on my craft room wall. As for shipping, I can't really tell you how long that it would take for you to receive an order. I live fairly close to Lazy River, and I got mine within a day and a half of me ordering. But they're in Georgia and I'm in Georgia, so it did not take very long for me to get it. I don't know how long it would take you. It may take, a week. It may take just a few days. So you may want to just be prepared, especially with shipping going to be delayed because of the upcoming holidays. But either way, it came very well shipped. It did not have any problems with the shipping whatsoever. The colors are really pretty and bright. I want to get the turtle next once I get this one done, but I am trying not to buy very much until after Black Friday because I want to see what other deals are coming through. But I'm definitely excited about this one, especially with them being a new company. I love supporting small shops, especially ones that are up and coming. So I am very appreciative that we do have another company out there, especially in the US. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please click on the like button. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye!